Good afternoon, ma'am. I've been practicing meditation from last 2 years, and I've
Yes.
been constantly doing yoga for 5 years now.
Yes.
And but still, while doing meditation and everything, there is still room in my mind for instability, and a lot of times I have these anxiety attacks and all, because as you're living in this 21st century, there are things which happen, and you tend to get attacked by all these things. But
Correct.
do you think that there are some ways which I can adapt in my meditation so that could help me more to stabilize my
Yes.
mind and all?
Yes. You see, that's a beautiful practical question. You do not get a new mind when you sit for meditation, right? The same old mind is continuing. Now, in your non meditative states, how you have maintained the mind matters, that is why. Which means abnormal living may. If you are constantly in distracted moods, today the mobile phone, I'm not against mobile, I also use. What I'm telling you is, if you are constantly wanting to see what message came, what WhatsApp, who said what on WhatsApp, unnecessary exchange of information. If you have something of value, you can exchange. But unnecessarily flitting your attention through all these ways, this builds up, it has a cumulative effect. After a certain period of time, you will see your mind is simply only hovering around all that. So you must limit these distracting factors. Use it. It should be in your hands. You should not be in its hands. The panic attacks or anxiety attacks which you get even though you are practicing meditation is because the normal life regulation has not occurred. Try to control these factors a bit. Use an instrument like a mobile phone to your purpose, to your advancement, isn't it? Not that you become a slave of it. So if you learn to use these gadgets like this, you can see to a great extent you will hold your attention. It is not invested in all these gadgets. And you will see they cease to affect you negatively. Whatever is bombarded on your system, you must be able to stand that. This stability comes through the practice of yoga. And deliberately, I will not go and involve myself in unnecessary things. If constantly a message does not come or your like does not come on your Facebook image, then depression. What is this? Why should that gadget control your emotion? Good God. God only has to save us from all this. Because, when we were in college, all these were not major problems. There was nothing called internet addiction. At the most, students used to suffer from drug addiction and substance abuse. But now, so many hundreds of types of addictions and all levels of exposure. So this a little bit consciously, intelligently, you must control it yourself. Because you want to go far in life, isn't it?